He meant this one.
Many
Wait,
parts of the
where
game,
is
but they're not any tougher.
Where's HM06?
Hold on, I gotta actually like find my wallet.
You got given
Which
it
one
at
that
the end of something. You already have it though, I think.
Yeah, I do. Thanks.
Okay. I was about to say, if you don't have it, I don't know how.
TM27 return over slash.
Unbelievable! He can do. Wooper can't learn waterfall. Catch a fucking.
Oh, dude. I just like broke a glass all over my floor, and my foot's bleeding.
What?
Wait, really?
Yeah, I'll be back in a bit, dude.
Alright.
Alright, man.
Sucking a butt.
Gotta catch Poliwag. What a video game.
J-Max's name's referencing the Cosmo Kramer.